Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, seriously, stop scrolling. I just found the most mind-blowing kitchen, and I have to tell you everything. This is the Modern Tudor moment we've been waiting for, right? It's charcoal drama meets organic warmth. Seriously, this kitchen is designed for entertaining, and honestly, it's a game changer. Wow. First off, look at the contrast. We're talking rich, medium-toned wood cabinetry, gorgeous. And then bam, the countertops are this insane, dark, heavily veined marble. It's totally giving sophisticated drama. Look at this massive island. We're easily talking 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. Perfect for a buffet spread or just, surviving Monday. And the ceiling height? It has to be 10 or 11 feet high, supported by those rustic, rough-hewn wooden beams. It feels so grand, but still incredibly cozy, which is the hardest balance to strike. They tied the look together perfectly with that absolutely killer matte black hood above the 48-inch professional range. Seriously, that hood is high fashion. You know how sometimes modern designs can feel totally sterile and cramped? This room, which is probably 15 by 18 feet, solves that problem instantly by blending textures. It's functional, luxurious, and somehow still feels warm, thanks to all that natural wood and the gorgeous lighting. I could live here forever. This whole vibe is just peak design. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.